Hi, I'm Louise, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a purple anemone out of crepe paper. We'll start off by making the center of the flower. For this I'm using some toilet paper to create a round shape, but you can use something else, of course, like aluminum foil or even cotton balls. It doesn't really matter what material you use because it's going to be hidden underneath the crepe paper. You'll want to make sure that you cover it entirely so you don't see any of the whiteness of the paper peeking through. I'm using a black alcohol marker, but you can use whatever type of black marker you have on hand. And we use again the exact same black marker as we did before. Try and make the cuts as thin as possible so it looks fuller and more realistic at the end. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. I want the petals to look as delicate as possible, so I'm using some lighter paper. It's 90 grams. If you want to make a bouquet of crepe paper flowers, I have an entire playlist dedicated to them on my channel, so you can make the perfect bouquet no matter the season. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!